Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blocked account on the application of TikTok. You will enter to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of TikTok and you will enter here. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.